Hi everyone, welcome day 9, 100 Day American Accent Challenge. So today we learn a vowel sound in oo, oo. Okay, let's practice and study today with me. Change your tongue and ear the right way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, let's start. The oo sound is a short, high, packed vowel in American English. It's not a tense or long as ooh, which we hear in words like foot, foot, or flu. Instead, ooh, relax and shorter. Okay, so I will show you some, for example, book, good, 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 ooh, good, good, book, good, look, foot, foot, could, could, should, book. Okay, so some word I will say wrong. Okay, so don't say like this, like me. So if you want to make sure you search on the internet, you let's search on the internet and a native speaker. So myself also I search on the internet with so many native speaker and I follow this word ooh ooh. But now we will study first. Okay, so after that we watching a native speaker and after that we start studying. Okay, so now let's study with me. Let's see the basis. Okay, now to pronounce ooh ooh, lift, rail, but not tight. Ooh, tongues raised for top, tongues not too high. Ooh, okay, okay. Ooh, good, good, could, should, would. Okay, let's practice some comments. Repeat after me slow the clearly. Book, look, cook, food, wood, wood, stood, boot, poon, poon, poo, poon. Okay, let's do it again and no more speak. And you will say, I think let's practice. And I also let's practice. And now this is the middle pair. Okay, ooh and ooh. Okay, look, look, food, food, put, put, foot, could, and ooh, look, look, food, pool, food. I don't know if it's cool. I don't know if it's cool. Cool, cool, ooh, cool. Let's do ooh. Let's do ooh. In the sentence focus and on carrying the sound so and relax. Okay. I put the book on the shelf. He looked he looked at the food on the bed. They should cook with good. She stood there and didn't move. And now let's say them together slow first, then fast, then faster. Okay. So let's I try faster. I put the book on the shelf. He looked at the foods of the bed. They stood cool with the wood. She stood there and didn't move. Okay, let's practice. It's a very hard sound, right? Mirror practice. Place your lip shape in tongue position. Recall yourself. Say 10 word and listen. Shadowing repeats after native speaker and in real conversation. Okay. You just change your ears, mouth, and print to pronounce clear. Okay. Like Vietnamese. Let's like, subscribe, and share with your friends who learn the YouTube. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.